Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my another new brand video. Right now I am staying at the Gabrakhali Garo Pahar tourist spot. Alhamdulillah, we have reached safely, totally safely by the grace of Almighty Allah. Right now I am going to introduce with my friends and tourmates.
Hi, I'm Shon Bishas. Hi, I'm Kofi. Hi, I am Mustaq.
Hi, I'm Ashik.
Hi, I am Alamin.
Hi, I'm Mahfuz.
I am Shahjahan.
Hi,
I am Rimon. I am Musharraf.
আবার
I am Musharraf.
Hi, I'm Sabbir.
I am Ashraful.
Thank you so much.
Hi, I am Sanjay.
The Gabrakhali Garo Hill Tourism Center has been established along the Indian border in Haluagat Upazila of Mymensingh district. The scenic beauty and serene environment of this picnic spot, developed through the tireless efforts of the recently retired Deputy Commissioner Mizanur Rahman, have captivated visitors. The number of the tourism is steadily increasing. Visitors from far and wide are mesmerized by the Garo Hill Tourism Center. Surrounded by plains, the hills, the chirping of birds, and the picturesque view of the water create a soothing atmosphere. The most fascinating aspect of this picnic spot is that some parts of India's Meghalaya state can be seen from the top of the hills. As the picnic spot is located near Meghalaya, India, it has created employment opportunities for many people in the area.
Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Right now we are beside the border guard. They are my friends and tour mates. Yeah, we are enjoying the beauty of this paddy field, really.
একবার না হরতা তাও খালি হেইবেই যাইতেছে কইছে এই বন্ধু কি মানে নাকি এটাই ইয়ার সে বিপদ
মানে একটা পুষ্পা
হ্যাঁ একটা ফুল দেন আমার ফোনে বন্ধু ফোনে কল দেন না এই পার মনে একটা উঠো পাহাড় শব্দ হয় হ্যাঁ
উঠে খারলে শব্দ আছে কোথায় ভাই
না অনুতে মজা পাইছিলাম দুর্গাপুর সর্বোচ্চ পাহাড়